FFW. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hunterdon County.
Alright, our first FFW. County in northwestern New Jersey. Oh god.
10:15 p.m.
What the heck?
At 6:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall in the area.
Santa WXL39.
The storm is producing source radar.
Alright.
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well. Source radar. Some locations that may
Okay, what the heck? This is a very bad situation for the destructive as we are.
Forks, Northampton, Wilson, Nazareth, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe.
Wait, why is KW35 not 20 that is FFW? That's weird. Bro, what the heck?
Current vehicles.
Okay, very weird.
Turn around. Don't drown.
Okay, dude, what the heck?
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.